how to refer people to the Phygitals app. You want to open up the app itself and then create an account. Once you have an account, you want to click on rewards found at the bottom. Right here, you will see your invite link. You can copy it directly by clicking on the 2 sheets of paper next to it, or you can go ahead and click on invite friends. Right here, you will be able to send an invitation to whoever you want. So you can send this to your contacts, and if they sign up using your link, then you will have successfully referred them and you will get rewarded for it. You also will be able to find your code here at the bottom. So if you give this code and people create an account and then paste it in this field where it says enter code, then again you will receive a reward for it. And that is how it works. Hope this video helps you out. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.